Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today, we are clocking in. We are talking about professional emailing and workplace etiquette.
Ugh, emailing, Rachel. I hate my inbox. Last Monday, I sent an email to the CEO and I forgot the attachment. Then I sent it again and spelled his name wrong. I felt like a blundering idiot. I wanted to disappear.
A blundering idiot. That's a bit harsh, Joey. We've all been there. But in the professional world, attention to detail is key. Did you proofread it before you hit send?
Proofread? Oh, that means reading it over to check for mistakes, right? I was in a rush, Rachel. I just typed it and clicked.
Rushing is the enemy of professionalism. You should always have a clear subject line so the recipient knows what the email is about before they open it.
Subject line. Got it. Like urgent project update? Or is urgent too dramatic?
Use urgent only if it's time sensitive. Otherwise, it's annoying. And what about the salutation? Did you say, "Hey, boss"?
No, I said, Dear Mr. Smith. Is that too formal, or should I say, Hi, John?
It depends on the culture. If it's a startup, "Hi, John" is fine. If it's a law firm, stay formal. When in doubt, follow their lead.
Follow their lead. That means do what they do. Okay, now, Rachel, what about CC and BCC? I always get them mixed up.
CC stands for carbon copy. You use it to keep people in the loop. BCC is blind carbon copy. The other recipients can't see their names.
In the loop. That's a great idiom. It means keeping someone informed. But BCC sounds sneaky, Rachel, like a secret agent.
That's for privacy, like when you email a large group and don't want to share everyone's address. It's standard practice.
Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the office kitchen. I left my lunch in the fridge and someone swiped it. My sandwich was gone. I wanted to send a company-wide email and accuse everyone.
Swiped it. That's a slang word for stolen. Joey, sending a company-wide email about a sandwich is passive-aggressive. It makes you look unprofessional.
Passive-aggressive. That's when I express my anger in an indirect way, right? So I should just talk to people directly?
Exactly. Or just label your lunch clearly. And speaking of talking, how is your small talk?
Small talk. You mean talking about the weather and the weekend at the water cooler? I find it awkward, Rachel. I never know what to say.
Small talk is the social glue of the office. It builds rapport. Just ask, "Any big plans for the weekend?" Or, "How is that project coming along?"
Any big plans? Got it. I'll try that tomorrow. But what if a meeting is dragging on? I'm bored and I have work to do.
Dragging on. That means lasting longer than necessary. You can politely intervene and say, "In the interest of time, should we circle back to this later?"
Circle back. I love corporate speak. It sounds so productive. It means talk about it again at a later time, right?
Precisely. And if you don't understand something in a meeting, don't nod your head like a robot. Ask for clarification.
Clarification. That means making something clear. I'll say, could you elaborate on that point?
Elaborate. You're sounding like a CEO already, Joey. And finally, let's talk about deadlines.
Deadlines. The scariest word in the English language. If I'm going to be late, do I just hide under my desk?
No. Manage expectations. Tell your manager in advance. Say, "I've hit a roadblock and I might need an extension."
Roadblock. That's an obstacle or problem that stops progress. And an extension is extra time. I'm using that phrase every Friday.
Don't overuse it, or you'll lose your credibility. Reliability is the most important trait in a professional.
Reliability. That means being someone who can be trusted to do the work. I'm working on it, Rachel.
I believe in you. You're on the fast track to success.
On the fast track. I'm running. Well, I'm going to go proofread my out-of-office reply. Let's review our corporate vocabulary.
Vocabulary review. 1. Blundering, adjective.
Meaning, making a careless or stupid mistake.
Example, the manager's blundering attempt to fix the software caused the whole system to crash.
2. Proofread, verb.
Meaning, to read printer's proofs or other written material and mark any errors.
Example, always proofread your emails before sending them to a client to ensure there are no typos.
3. Time-sensitive, adjective.
Meaning, of information or a task needing to be dealt with by a particular time.
Example, please respond to this request immediately. It's extremely time-sensitive.
4. In the loop, idiom.
Meaning, informed of or involved in a particular group or activity.
Example, I've CC'd the project manager on this email to keep her in the loop.
5. Standard practice, noun phrase.
Meaning, the usual or expected way of doing something in a particular organization or industry.
Example, it's standard practice to have a weekly team meeting to discuss our progress.
6. Passive-aggressive, adjective.
Meaning, of or denoting a type of behavior or personality characterized by indirect resistance to the demands of others and an avoidance of direct confrontation.
Example, instead of talking to me, he left a passive-aggressive note on my desk about the noise.
7. Rapport, noun.
Meaning, a close and harmonious relationship in which the people or groups concerned understand each other's feelings or ideas and communicate well.
Example, she built a great rapport with her clients by listening to their needs and being responsive.
8. Circle back, idiom/phrasal verb.
Meaning, to return to a previous topic or issue at a later time.
Example, we don't have enough data to decide today. Let's circle back to this on Wednesday.
9. Clarification, noun.
Meaning, making something clear.
Example, I need some clarification on the second paragraph of the contract before I sign it.
10. Elaborate, verb.
Meaning, to develop or present a theory, policy, or system in further detail.
Example, could you elaborate on the marketing strategy for the new product launch?
11. Roadblock, noun.
Meaning, a hindrance or obstacle to progress or an achievement.
Example, the lack of funding has been a major roadblock for our research team.
12. Reliability, noun.
Meaning, the quality of being trustworthy or of performing consistently well.
Example, our company prides itself on the reliability of our delivery service.
Use this bridge to explore the world. We are always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.